Dreaming of a kitchen that feels straight out of the future? These futuristic gadgets are designed to make cooking smarter, faster, and more enjoyable while keeping your space sleek and modern. From clever tools to high-tech helpers, each one is built to bring comfort and convenience to your daily routine. All the products are linked in the description below. Turn your backyard into a pizzeria. This outdoor gas oven fires up to a blazing 950 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you a crispy, bubbly pizza in just 60 seconds. The precision flame control means you're always in charge, whether you like a light char or a deep golden crust. Dense insulation keeps the heat steady, letting you cook pizza after pizza without waiting. It's sleek, powerful, and ready to impress at your next cookout. Mornings just got a serious upgrade. This smart espresso machine remembers your favorite drinks and makes them exactly how you like with a single touch. You can even set it to wake up and brew before you're out of bed. From creamy cappuccinos to bold espressos, it handles every type of milk with ease. And with thousands of drink combinations, you'll never run out of new creations to try. Say goodbye to cartons and hello to fresh, homemade plant-based milk. This clever machine turns almonds, oats, cashews, or even coconuts into smooth, creamy milk with just the push of a button. No soaking or messy prep, just add your ingredients and let it work its magic. Built-in programs handle different nuts and grains perfectly, and when you're done, it even cleans itself automatically. Fresh herbs at your fingertips all year long. This indoor hydroponic garden grows plants without soil, so there's no mess, just clean, vibrant growth. The built-in LED grow light acts like sunlight, helping your herbs sprout and thrive up to 5 times faster. A simple control panel reminds you when to add water or plant food, making it practically effortless. Grow basil, mint, parsley, and more right on your countertop. Your home bar just leveled up. This cocktail maker mixes margaritas, whiskey sours, and more with the push of a button. No measuring, no mess. Just pop in a capsule, pick your strength, and watch it pour like magic. Built-in cleaning keeps every drink fresh and delicious without extra effort. It's variety, convenience, and bar-quality cocktails all in one sleek machine. Movie night just got a galactic upgrade. This popcorn maker looks exactly like everyone's favorite Droid and pops fluffy kernels using only hot air. No oil required. The built-in measuring cup keeps portions perfect, while cleanup is quick and easy. The best part? R2-D2's head detaches and doubles as a serving bowl. It's a fun, healthy, and out-of-this-world way to snack. Dull knives slowing you down? This electric sharpener brings them back to life in seconds. With diamond abrasives and precision angle guides, it handles everything from chef's knives to scissors with ease. An LCD screen and adjustable speeds make it simple to get the perfect edge every time. Plus, the built-in chip collector keeps your counter clean while you work. Sharp, safe, and kitchen-ready. One countertop oven that does it all. This smart oven lets you bake, roast, air fry, and even dehydrate. No extra gadgets needed. Powerful convection circulates hot air for crispy fries, golden pizzas, and perfectly roasted meats in less time. With 13 cooking functions, you'll always have the right setting ready. It's spacious enough for a whole turkey, yet compact enough to live right on your counter. Think of this fridge as the ultimate kitchen upgrade. It's got a huge touchscreen built in, so you can stream shows, check recipes, or even keep a grocery list without pulling out your phone. Inside, smart tech helps track your food, so you always know what's fresh. The flexible drawer and dual ice makers make it practical for every lifestyle. Sleek design, smart features, and plenty of space. It does it all. Cooking restaurant-quality meals at home just got way easier. This Sous Vide machine takes the guesswork out by letting you choose exactly how you want your food done: rare, medium, or well done, and it nails it every time. The turbo mode speeds things up, so you don't have to wait hours for perfect results. Pair it with the app for guided recipes, and you'll be turning out flawless steak, chicken, or fish with zero stress. Morning smoothie routine just got way easier. This compact blender crushes ice, blends fruit, and even handles frozen ingredients without breaking a sweat. You can drink straight from the blending cup, just pop on the spout lid and head out the door. The push-to-blend design is simple enough for anyone to use, and it's powerful enough to unlock nutrients from whole fruits and veggies. Big meals don't have to mean big effort. This extra-large air fryer cooks faster and more evenly with powerful airflow that mimics a pizza oven. You can whip up wings, steaks, or even crispy bacon in record time without flipping or shaking. It's whisper quiet, so you can chat in the kitchen while it works. And when you're done, the self-cleaning mode takes care of the mess for you. Ever wondered how people make their own infused oils and butters at home? This clever machine does all the work for you. It dries fresh herbs, activates them, and then infuses them into oil, butter, or even honey with just the push of a button. A built-in filter keeps odors down, so your kitchen stays fresh. And when you're done, the parts pop right into the dishwasher for easy cleanup. Juggling multiple dishes at once? This digital triple timer keeps you on track without the chaos. You can run 3 countdowns at the same time, perfect for baking, roasting, and simmering all together. The big backlit screen is easy to read, even across the kitchen. With a sturdy base and angled design, you can set it one-handed in seconds. It even doubles as a stopwatch when you just need to count up. Breakfast just got a tech upgrade. This sleek toaster comes with a touch screen and a countdown timer, so you always know when your toast will be ready. With 6 shade settings and bread type options, you can get anything from bagels to waffles just the way you like. Dual controls let you toast different breads at the same time, perfect for family mornings. Wide slots and an easy clean tray make it hassle-free from start to finish. Why walk all the way to the kitchen when you can keep your snacks right by your side? This mini fridge is small enough for your desk, dorm, or even your car. It chills drinks down to refreshing coolness or flips into warming mode to keep food hot. You can power it with a wall plug, car adapter, or even a USB power bank. Lightweight and portable, it's the perfect grab-and-go cooler. Imagine a pot that cooks and stirs for you while you just relax. This automatic cooking machine handles frying, steaming, stewing, and even baking with a single tap. A 360-degree rotating pot keeps food evenly cooked, while the non-stick surface makes cleanup effortless. With preset programs and smart touch controls, you don't need chef skills to get great results. It's like having your own personal cook right on the counter. Tap water doesn't have to be boring. With this sleek carbonator, you can turn plain water into fizzy soda in seconds. No cords, no batteries, just a simple press, and your drink comes alive with bubbles. The stainless steel nozzle gives you smooth, controlled carbonation every time. Compact and stylish, it sits neatly on your counter and keeps refreshing, sparkling water ready whenever you want it. Fresh juice should taste like nature made it. This cold press juicer squeezes out every drop while keeping nutrients locked in. The wide chute fits whole fruits and veggies, saving you prep time. A quiet motor and slow pressing action mean less foam, less heat, and more flavor in your glass. Easy to assemble, quick to clean, and built tough enough for everyday use, it makes healthy living simple. No more messy tugging at paper towels with wet hands. This smart dispenser feeds you a fresh sheet automatically. Just wave and grab. It holds extra long rolls, so you won't be refilling constantly. The wall-mounted design keeps counters clear, while the locking cover keeps supplies secure. Sleek, durable, and easy to refill. It's a hands-free upgrade that makes life cleaner and simpler. Why chase the ice cream truck when you can make your own soft serve at home? This machine whips up frozen yogurt, gelato, or sorbet in about 20 minutes. No ice or salt needed. Pull the lever and swirl ice cream straight into your cone, just like at the shop. 3 built-in dispensers let you drop in sprinkles, chips, or candy as it pours. Fun, fast, and deliciously easy. This robotic chef's table blends sleek design with advanced automation to create meals while you sit back and enjoy the show. A smart tablet interface lets you guide recipes step by step or watch the robot prepare them entirely on its own. Compact and modular, it's perfect for small spaces or modern apartments. With world-class chef recipes built in, it brings gourmet dining straight to your home. Perfect espresso starts with precision. This mini scale measures down to 0.1 grams, so every shot and every pour is spot on. The backlit display is easy to read, and the lid doubles as a tray to hold grounds or beans. With 6 different units of measurement, it's handy beyond coffee too. Small, sleek, and portable, it's a tiny tool that makes a big difference in flavor. Bring the party to life with a machine that serves up frozen drinks on demand. With 3 jumbo tanks, you can make up to 180 cups of slushies, margaritas, or smoothies in one go. Each tank runs independently, so you can mix different flavors at once. A digital panel makes it easy to set the mode, control the temperature, and even clean automatically. Durable stainless steel keeps it looking sharp and running smooth for every celebration.